Microsoft's Surface announcement this year was impressive to say the least. The Surface team at Data 3 are excited to be able to show you some of the new devices that are already available now. Right here I've got the new Surface Laptop 3 in the 13.5 inch and the 15-inch size as well. Today's white retail packaging has changed to a brown box packaging, which is now recyclable and more sustainable. Businesses that use modern management tools like Microsoft Intune and Windows Autopilot will be pleased to know that the product ID on the side of the box is now autopilot ready to make your deployment even easier. This is the Laptop 3. The Laptop 3 opens effortlessly with one hand, and with its invisible hinge, the Laptop 3 looks and feels like a premium device. Immediately, I noticed the larger glass trackpad. This trackpad has increased 20% in size. Digital artists, photographers, and other creative professionals will be pleased to hear that the Laptop 3 retains the USB-A port and also the 3.5mm jack. The USB-C port replaces the mini display port, allowing another medium of charging and also better connectivity. All of your existing legacy peripherals can connect to the Surface Laptop 3 via the USB-A port. On the inside, the Surface Laptop 3 is powered by Intel's latest Ice Lake processors. So if you're using a MacBook Air right now, this device is 3 times more powerful. The Surface Laptop 3 now features a modular design which improves the overall repairability of the device. This means that switching out SSDs are a lot easier. For example, when the device is flipped over, the rubber feet can be removed. Underneath each of these rubber feet are screws. Once you remove those screws, it'll allow you to pull up the keyboard and replace your internal SSD. So this has been the Surface Laptop 3, the perfect device combining power and portability. If you'd like more information, please reach out to your account manager or visit us at data3.com.au.